Jax. I used to think that we met by chance, but now I know without a doubt that the universe put you in front of me because we were meant to spend our lives together. You have filled my life with joy and have given me a sense of peace. You are now my best friend and my biggest supporter.
Joanne, all of the people you have met on your journey and all the places you have been, somehow and some way you end up here with me. This is the most powerful and humbling fact that I can accept.
So we've come together today to witness and celebrate the marriage of Joanne and Jax and to wish them every happiness in their life ahead.
When two people pledge to love and care for each other in marriage, they create a spirit unique to themselves, which binds them closer than any spoken or written words. And this is made in the hearts of two people who love each other, which takes a lifetime to fulfill. Jax and Joanne came together as friends. Today they pledge to each other not only their love, but also the strength, warmth, and most importantly, the fun of true friendship.
I promise to give you... You make me cry. I promise to give you all of my words when needed, stay by your side in sickness and in health, in joy and sorrow. I promise to carry you and our family as long as we live. Today, I join my life with yours, not merely as your husband, but as your best friend, forever.
I promise to be with you in sickness and in health. I promise to make you laugh when you are taking yourself too seriously. From this day forward, you will never walk alone. Today, I join my life with yours, not merely as your wife, but as your best friend.
I, Cheng Jing Xian, take you, Joanne Jax, to be my wife.
I, Joanne Jax, take you, Cheng Jing Xian, to be my husband.
Jax and Joanne, it gives me very great pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. And now, Jax, you may kiss your beautiful wife.